yewalise ku Serena talina audience ya Serena. Mwebale kubaswaza mbona. Because there is no table that is empty. Mwena muzebu wange, mwebale nnyo kunjagala, mwebale kubaswazanga, sigwe kusoze nekize kubaswaza. Isn't it? Let's run about that. Thank you so much for making it happen. Thank you. Thank you so much. But TikToker mwena bali wana ba blogger, by YouTubers, mwena media personalities, mwena thank you so much. Katika tusumule this kona yetu buli. All right, you ready?
Of 2000 to go and move my music door to door. Idris, thank you so much. Thank you.
Bring up I'm happy that I successful my success. Tata Wangomula, Mansulu Twatwa. If you know the story that you've seen, Tata my stepdad, as a daughter. Thank you so much, I love you, Tata Thank you so much. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, because of excitement, simanyo bana bamuzizaako bulungi, simanyo bana bazizaako bulungi, but buli wenajjukira kyenzijukira nenakikola. Owekitiibwa Katikkiro ne mukyalawo mwebale nnyo okujja mu ndongo yaffe. Omanyi endongo yaffe bagamba yabayaaye naye mwebale kutwagalirayo nga bitulivu. Thank you so much. Thank you. Afande David, togenda mu bivulu, but I'm so honored. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate byonna by'onkoledde. Thank you so much. Mwenna mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala buli kimu kyonna. I really appreciate. I'll never have another 10 years. You've made it so special. Thank you. May God bless you for me, all of you. Mwebale nnyo. All right, let's go.